Hey everyone, I have a really awesome camper to show you. This is the Cougar half-ton 32 BHS family coach, and honestly there's so many features on this thing that a lot of people tend to look for, so I definitely think it's going to check off a lot of boxes for you guys. Our weight is looking at 9,292 pounds, and then our length is 35 feet 9 inches. So starting here on the outside first, at the front we have our road armor pin box, and then you have your hitch vision just up above so you can line up your tow vehicle. Just down below is your battery box plus some additional storage. You are prepped for those Furrion side marker cameras, so this can just help you when you're parking your coach at your campsite, or even just watching the sides of your camper when you're taking it down the road. 2 propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other. And you also have some pass-through storage, as well as your satellite and cable hookup, plus some power, so you can have a TV setup in your pass-through storage if you would like. Power on the outside. Solid steps at your main entrance with that big supporting grab handle. And you also have 2 entrances into this camper, Bluetooth capable outside speakers, and a huge power awning so you can relax, especially if it gets pretty hot outside. Coming towards the back, you have this gigantic outside kitchen, a sink, which is pretty cool, power on the back to plug in, air fryers, coffee makers, anything that you want. Plus you have this additional countertop space, shelving too, cabinets up above. You also have a light out here so you can see what you're doing even if it gets pretty dark outside. Stainless steel Capital Grill. And this fridge. You can put juice boxes in here, adult beverages, a lot of waters, anything that you want. And your kids, when they're running outside getting all dirty, they don't have to track all of that mud and stuff inside your camper. The door to this also can be used as another awning, so you can still be outside cooking even if it's raining. You're pre-wired for a backup camera. And then here is your rear ladder to keep up on that roof and slide out maintenance. And you have three slide outs, if I can speak today, on your non-camping side. And then here, the other side of our pass-through storage is all of your hose hookups. So starting from the top is your external shower. Comes with a nozzle that you can hook up to it, have hot and cold water. And then here is your solar plug, winterizing, water heater bypass, multi-source signal controller for your Key TV, city water connection, battery disconnect, and then of course that's where you can open your black tank. You also have electronic auto leveling on this coach. So now let's take a look at the inside. All right, so coming up into the front part of our camper is our master bedroom. Queen size mattress that does lift up for some extra storage. And as you can see, you have plenty of walking space on either side of the bed, so you don't have to kind of dive on the mattress. You can easily just lay in bed through the sides. Nightstands are on both sides with some cabinet storage so you can hide your personal belongings. Shelving corners too. Each side also has outlets plus USB ports if you are able to see that. And then above each, we have closets, couple cabinets in between. And then one of those slide outs on your non-camping side is for your wardrobe. So you have a clothes rack that extends all the way across, 3 entrances into this closet, and each door has its own drawer. Kind of hard to say. And you also have the really pretty mirror panels on them too. Across from your bed, you have a spot for a LCD TV, so you can have a TV in here if you would like. You are even prepped for a second AC here in the bedroom. And this is something that's really unique about this floor plan. You have your own half bath off your master bedroom. Pretty awesome. So you got your porcelain foot flush toilet, and then directly across is your sink with this kind of extended amount of countertop space, power, storage below, and then above in your medicine cabinet. So the fact that you have this half bath, your own personal half bath right off from the master bedroom is pretty awesome. And then kind of up on the steps, you have your in-command system. So this touchscreen allows you to access your awnings, your slide outs, interior lights, all of that type of stuff. And they even have an app that you can download on your phone for free and be able to do it from there. The price comes out to be $49,985 for everything before I forget. Some storage drawers are right next to your main entrance, so you can access that. Not really have to come inside the coach if you need to grab something pretty quick. On the other side of your, I guess, half bath wall is your entertainment center. Electric fireplace down below, and this actually kicks off some heat, so you can take advantage of it during early or late season camping, or you can just have those pretty lights going. Furrion Bluetooth speaker system, so that's where you can have your DVDs going, radio, hook up your phone for those outside speakers, swivel TV, cabinets kind of making like an L shape, so put extra board games in there, DVDs, or just some living room storage. Kind of diagonal is your theater reclining seats, very comfortable, and this also has cup holders plus remote control storage. And this slide out is absolutely covered in windows, so you're gonna have a lot of natural light coming in. Booth dinette is right next to your theater seats, and this will fold down into a sleeping space for extra guests. And I would like to say that this slide out is not carpet, it's almost like an outdoor rug material, so you definitely can sweep up pet hair pretty easily with that. Across the way, we have our gorgeous updated interior colors on your kitchen cabinets. They're nice and bright. A lot of people love it. Storage is below your sink. And this also is a 50-50 split stainless steel sink. Pull down spray faucet. Huge window so you can have a nice view while you are cooking. And you also have power below this cabinet and against the walls too, so you can plug in any sort of like small appliances and stuff. Cabinets up above. Microwave. Got your range hood. 3-burner stove top with this glass cover. And then there's your oven. Really good size refrigerator. And then I'll show you the freezer. Plus you have another cabinet up there. And then behind this door, we have our full bath, and there is that second entrance. So a lot of people love the outside entrance into the bathroom. It really cuts down on the foot traffic. Again, if your kids are outside running around getting dirty, they can just easily use the bathroom right here. So you got your porcelain foot flush toilet here at an angle. Sink across from your inside entrance with your storage below and up above. And you have a shower tub combo. So a full-size adult is probably not going to fit in the tub, but your kids definitely can, or if your dog happens to need a bath. Really tall ceilings as well, so if you are a taller person, you do not have to worry about hitting your head on that shower roof. Skylight is up above. And then turning around, you have your vent fan, plus a towel rack just above your toilet. And then lastly, we have this amazing bunk room for your kids. So directly to my left, you have storage all the way from the floor to the ceiling for all of their materials, clothes, toys, pretty much whatever. Just next to that, you have your first bunk, and this is rated for 300 pounds, so a full-size adult is able to sleep up here. Drawers are built in, which is awesome. So they have it on this platform to be able to give you that extra storage space. Another bunk is down below. Same thing, you have a couple drawers built in. And then right across is for the kids' entertainment center. So it's a spot for a TV. Of course, you got outlets plus USB ports. Storage below and up above. And then to my right, you have your third bunk, I guess. Again, rated for 300 pounds. You can latch this up to really take advantage of this sofa down here that also will fold down into a sleeping space. But a lot of natural light is coming in. And again, the ceilings are extra tall, so you don't have to worry about hitting your head if you are a taller person. But that is it for this Cougar 32 BHS. Any sort of questions or concerns, feel free to let us know and we'll be happy to help.